चाहूंगी जो भी लोग कंटेनमेंट जोन्स में हैं और 1 महीने के लिए लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो चुका है। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड। मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री एंड इट्स अ प्लेजर टू बी बैक bringing you the latest from the world of Bollywood, entertainment and social media। देखिए, एक पॉजिटिव चीज ये है कि जो भी रिस्की जोन्स में नहीं है उनके लिए चीजें धीरे धीरे नॉर्मल हो रही है। सो लेट्स होप एंड प्रे दैट इन द नेक्स्ट 1 month वी होप दैट थिंग्स स्टार्ट गेटिंग बैक टू नॉर्मल एंड वी गेट आवर लाइव्स बैक। बट फॉर नाउ कांट डू मच बट sit back, relax and enjoy the world of Bollywood with me right here on Planet Bollywood। Akshay Kumar, who had created a storm last year with his music video debut, which became really popular opposite Kriti Sanon's sister Nupur Sanon in B Praak's song Filhal, has squashed all rumors of new cast being roped in for the part 2 of the song। Salman Khan has already helped the daily wage earners with financial aid, is providing ration and food to the poor and needy, and now has won the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's admiration for donating 1 lakh hand sanitizers to the Mumbai police। Amitabh Bachchan is an inspiration to many new aspiring actors for his mastery over his craft। But on a personal level as well, he's been inspiring all of us with his discipline, with his openness to social media and new technology। Actor, producer, writer, director and now an interior designer, Kangana Ranaut has turned out to be quite a jack of all trades। Producer, writer, director and now an interior designer, Kangana Ranaut has turned out to be quite a jack of all trades। After making heads turn with her new office space in Mumbai, Kangana Ranaut has taken up a new enjoyable पंगा। कंगना जो फिलहाल मनाली में है अपनी फैमिली के साथ लॉकडाउन को फॉलो कर रही है, has taken up the responsibility of setting up Rangoli Chandel, her sister's home in the hills। Rangoli, who dotes on her sister, shared a post saying how Kangna and her tastes are very different, but Kangna अपनी निगरानी में रंगोली के घर को सेटअप कर रही है। ऐसा क्या है जो कंगना नहीं कर सकती? She has proven herself to be a fabulous actor। She has co-directed a film, has turned producer with Manikarnika Films, whose fabulous offices she recently shared with her fans। लेकिन अब वो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर भी बन गई है, but only for her sister Rangoli। Rangoli and Kangna are very close to each other and have always supported each other through thick and thin। Recently, when Rangoli and her husband were leaving to do a quick puja for the home they are constructing, कंगना ने अपनी बहन को अपने हाथों से तैयार किया, सजाया और फिर उनके साथ पूजा में शामिल भी हुई। While the family remains in lockdown, Rangoli and her husband are supervising the construction and interiors of their home in Manali। But looks like Kangna is on board as well, and personally supervising and taking an interest in making sure कि उनकी बहन का घर सबसे सुंदर हो। Rangoli recently shared an Instagram post with pictures and a small video from her new home and spoke about how Kangna is adding her touches and actually setting up things for her sister since they have very limited help। In her post, Rangoli wrote, "When she asked me what kind of interiors do I like, I said I don't like torn, worn out, vintage, old looking stuff। I don't know what I like, but I want new things to look new." She has been incessantly working on this day, and today when I saw her put finishing touches, I was stunned। I can say one thing, this is not a house to me, it's heaven, it's a blessing। PS, walls are waiting for paintings, heaters need to be fixed, we don't have much help, she's setting up everything with her own hands, but I just couldn't wait, we'll post more when it's all ready। रंगोली के शेयर किए हुए वीडियो में कंगना कैन बी सीन अरेंजिंग द कुशन्स केयरफुली एंड व्हेन शी रियलाइजेस हर सिस्टर इज फिल्मिंग हर, द पंगा एक्टर स्माइल वाज समथिंग स्पेशल. वाकई कोई कितना भी बड़ा स्टार बन जाए, अपनी सिस्टर के लिए कुछ स्पेशल करने का मजा अलग ही होता है. It was adorable to see Kangna blush on camera when caught in a candid moment. But when she went ahead with her task, making sure everything was just right for darling sister. We wish you all the luck Rangoli. Hope ये घर और आपका नया ऑफिस आपके लिए ढेर सारा गुड लक लेके आए. Amitabh Bachchan is an inspiration to many new aspiring actors for his mastery over his craft. But on a personal level as well, he's been inspiring all of us with his discipline, with his openness to social media and new technology, and for being the first Bollywood big mega star to transition so quickly and so smoothly to other media platforms like television and now OTT platforms. लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर भी उन्होंने हमें बहुत इंस्पायर किया है by being associated with different social initiatives, and recently with his blog post where he writes that even at this age now he is learning new life lessons and is realizing his many blessings which he hadn't paused before to think about it. जिंदगी में हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने का मौका मिलता है, and who better to know this than Amitabh Bachchan. The veteran actor may be 78, but he is one of the youngest celebs at heart, especially when it comes to his enthusiasm for social media and zest for life. Amit Ji is definitely very cool, लेकिन इतने सालों के अनुभव ने उन्हें बहुत ही thoughtful और introspective भी बनाया है. The Shahenshah of Bollywood is at home with his son and daughter, their kids and star bahu Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. But has been very productive during this lockdown, becoming a part of awareness generating videos, music videos and sharing messages of positivity and hope.
Social distancing यानी सामाजिक दूरी, समाज से दूरी बनाए रखें और केवल किसी आपातकालीन स्थिति हो या किसी इमरजेंसी हो तभी आप घर से बाहर निकलें या चाहें.
Amit Ji, who religiously writes blog posts every day for years now, tweeted to declare he has learnt more about life during the ongoing lockdown than he did in years he spent. Amit Ji लिखते हैं, इस लॉकडाउन के काल में जितना मैं सीखा, समझा और जाना, उतना मैं अपने 78 वर्षों के जीवन काल में ना सीख सका, ना समझ सका और ना ही जान सका. इस सच्चाई को व्यक्त करना इसी सीख, समझ और जानने का परिणाम है. Sharing his insights, which are life lessons for us, Amit Ji writes, there really is so much to do, which we never did on our own. But how wonderful to be able to do it now. A sense of knowing where and how everything functions in the home. Instead of leaving to hired staff, clean up the room, the bathroom, the work area, do the laundry, the essentials, all to do. It's such a joy, and most importantly, you get to know what the staff and the hire was going through when they were doing the work that you are doing now, and appreciate their effort and hours of work. Every day is a learning. Each day is a new awakening. Hats off to you, Amit Ji. You have managed to find a silver lining even in this dark cloud, and even while all of us struggle with chores we haven't done before. आपके ये विचार आपके सारे फैंस को सोचने पर मजबूर करेंगे, and maybe we too will emerge more grateful and thankful for every privilege life has given us. Deepika Padukone has been making news for being super productive and super romantic during this lockdown. But she has also been going through her scripts, hearing narrations, and thinking about her future projects. A little birdie has told us that she may be a part of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's next film, Baiju Bawra, and may play Baiju's love interest Gauri in the film. As we don't have any official confirmation yet, we really hope that lockdown के खुलने के बाद we get more details on the same. Deepika was still soaking in all the adulation for her performance in Chapak when the COVID-19 pandemic spread, and soon all of India was in lockdown too. Deepika has spent the past 2 months in lockdown with her superstar husband Ranveer Singh. And while Ranveer, from what Deepika says, has been taking in all the rest he can, Deepika has been super productive. Superstar line up. She often shares pictures from her productivity series and has spent time at home cleaning, cooking, organizing her pantry, gardening, and working out. She also put together a manual on managing one's mental health on behalf of her NGO, the Live Love Laugh Foundation, to help those battling anxiety, depression, and stress at this time. But in addition to being the perfect baby and proud homeowner, Deepika has also been busy with work, listening to narrations, online of course, and going through scripts as she plans her future projects. Sources tell us that the actor has been making full use of technology to stay in touch with work and has been busy considering several new scripts. In fact, agar sab theek hota, Deepika would have been shooting right now for Shakun Batra's next film in Sri Lanka with Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi. We also hear that she may be playing the lead in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's dream project, a remake of the film Baiju Bawra. While the director has not found his Baiju, rumor has it that Deepika will be playing the role originally played by Meena Kumari, but unlike the small part played by Meena ji, Deepika's role will be longer and more crucial to the narrative. While we are waiting to get more details on Baiju Bawra, we can't wait to see Deepika and Ranveer together in 83 and Deepika as Draupadi in her other upcoming project.
गाड़ी से हमने पिता बनाओ से पकड़ जा रहे तो केनी पिता मत आ बेटा जय शाला जय शाला
If there is one actor who has gone above and beyond to help people during this crisis, it is Sonu Sood. Whether it's organizing buses to take migrant workers back home or setting up helpline numbers to get in touch with him to give him information about stuck migrant workers, or recently airlifting a group of women who were stuck in Kochi and were looking to go back to Odisha. सोनू ने अपने सेल्फलेस सर्विस और जेनरोसिटी से पूरे इंडिया का दिल जीत लिया है. Politicians across parties are thanking him on social media, including the Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, who thanked him personally for his gesture. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown us that our Bollywood actors are just as, if not more, heroic when it comes to a real-life crisis. While the superstars Salman, Shah Rukh and Akshay Kumar have all answered the call of this pandemic and offered aid in both cash and kind, Sonu Sood has won the hearts of thousands of migrant workers who have been left in a terrible situation with the lockdown getting extended. Real life में villainous roles करने वाले सोनू has proven to be a real life hero and a savior of the stranded migrant workers. Sonu has borne all the costs and personally organized transport to help almost 12,000 stranded migrant workers find their way home. In addition to organizing transport, सोनू ने एक हेल्पलाइन भी सेटअप की है जिस पे फोन करके लोग मदद मांग सकते हैं या फिर इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं अबाउट ग्रुप ऑफ माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स हु आर अनेबल टू गो बैक होम। मुंबई में माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स की मदद कर रहे सोनू को एक फ्रेंड से पता चला कि 169 गर्ल्स ऑफ ओडिशा केंद्रपाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो केरला की एक गारमेंट फैक्ट्री में काम कर रही थी अपने घर लौटना चाहती है। The girls who were left stranded without any pay had appealed on social media that they needed help and were unable to stay in Kerala any longer. They wrote in their social media post, "Our owner has stopped paying us salaries and we want to go home at any cost. We have been stuck in our rooms since the factory shut down." Sonu immediately responded to their appeal and thanks to his efforts, सारी stranded लड़कियां सुरक्षित भुवनेश्वर पहुंच गई है with 9 other migrant workers from Odisha who were stuck in Kerala. It's amazing to know that Sonu even bore the entire cost of their travel and took charge of the situation before things got out of control. One of the girls who flew back said, "We had lost all hopes of going back. We thought we may travel back by bus or the Shramik special trains. But all thanks to Sonu Sood, we managed to fly back to Odisha." Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik personally thanked Sonu with a social media post, as did the girls who are eternally grateful to him for his generosity. Thank Bollywood actor Sonu Sood for coming forward to help Odisha girls stranded in Kerala during nationwide COVID-19 lockdown to reach home safe. His humanitarian gesture is indeed commendable. Hats off to you, Sonu. You have truly amazed all of us with your tremendous contribution. और उन हजारों लोगों की दुआएं अब आपके साथ हैं, जिन्हें आपने अपनों से मिलवाया है। चलिए शो पे लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ आई विल बी बैक इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब नजर डालते हैं आज की स्पेशल स्टोरी पर।
दोस्तों, हम सबके लिए एक बहुत बुरी खबर है। हमारे प्यारे भाई वाजिद भाई, जिनको हम साजिद वाजिद के नाम से जानते थे, सुपरहिट जोड़ी जिन्होंने बहुत बड़ा म्यूजिक करा है, वाजिद भाई अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे। वो आज ही उनका देहांत हुआ है। वो अपनी ब्यूटीफुल यादों के साथ हमें छोड़ के चले गए हैं।
Wajid Khan of the popular music director duo Sajid Wajid has passed away. इस न्यूज को सोनू निगम ने फैंस के साथ सोशल मीडिया पर शेयर करते हुए लिखा, "My brother Wajid left us." वाजिद खान पिछले कुछ वक्त से बीमार चल रहे थे और कुछ रिपोर्ट्स में कहा जा रहा है कि ही ऑल्सो गॉट इन्फेक्टेड ऑफ कोविड-19 और इसी वजह से उनका देहांत हो गया। लेकिन अब तक उनकी फैमिली या फिर टीम की तरफ से ऑफिशियल रिस्पांस आना बाकी है। हाल ही में सलमान खान के ईद स्पेशल सॉन्ग पर साजिद वाजिद खान ने साथ काम किया था और फैंस को ये गाना काफी पसंद भी आया। वाजिद खान सलमान खान के काफी ज्यादा क्लोज थे। यही वजह है कि सलमान खान के पिछले कुछ सालों में रिलीज हुई फिल्म्स में साजिद वाजिद ने ही म्यूजिक दिया था। और अब वाजिद के गुजर जाने की न्यूज सलमान खान के लिए भी एक बड़े शॉक की तरह है।
मैं हूँ दबंग 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 दबंग, मैं हूँ दबंग 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 दबंग, हुड़ हुड़ दबंग 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 दबंग, हुड़ हुड़।
सेलेब्स सोशल मीडिया पर वाजिद खान के गुजर जाने की न्यूज पर रिएक्ट कर रही हैं। एक्ट्रेस प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने सोशल मीडिया पर वाजिद खान की सैड डिमाइस पर न्यूज शेयर करते हुए लिखा, terrible news. The one thing I will always remember is Wajid Bhai's laugh, always smiling. Gone too soon. My condolences to his family and everyone grieving. Rest in peace, my friend. You are in my thoughts and prayers. At Wajid Khan 7. Popular singer Salim Merchant tweeted, devastated with the news of the passing away of my brother Wajid of Sajid Wajid fame. May Allah give strength to the family. Safe travels, bro. Wajid Khan, you've gone too soon. It's a huge loss to our fraternity. I'm shocked and broken. Music composer Vishal Dadlani wrote, heartbroken. Both at Sajid Music Khan and at Wajid Khan 7 have been close and true friends. The kind who might see the light on and show up at our studio in the middle of the night just to meet and talk and share a laugh. Can't believe Wajid and I will never speak again. Actress Selena Jaitley ne likha, oh my god, shocking. May Wajid ji rest in peace. What a tragedy. What a loss to the film and music industry. खुदा उनको जन्नतुल फिरदौस में आला मकाम अता फरमाए. #rest in peace. #COVID-19. वहीं पुलकित सम्राट ने लिखा, वाजिद भाई, you will be missed. Here are some other reactions from celebs. वाजिद खान का गुजर जाना इंडियन म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक बड़ा झटका है. वाजिद खान बॉलीवुड में अपने खास तरह के मासी सॉन्ग्स के लिए जाने जाते थे और उन्हें उनकी इसी बॉडी ऑफ वर्क के लिए हमेशा याद किया जाएगा.
To all the people I love and people you love.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our digital platform and social media handles, and we'll look into them personally. For now, this is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.